English is full of phrases we use every day, but some of them just don't work globally. Let's fix a few of them right now. Example 1, prepone. Can we prepone the meeting is what we say in Indian English. In global English, it is can we move the meeting earlier. Prepone isn't used globally. Instead, say reschedule it to an earlier time. Simple and clear. Example 2, passed out. Indian English says, I passed out of college in 2020. Global English says, I graduated in 2020. Outside India, passed out means to failed. Say graduated when you finish school or college. Example 3, do one thing. Indian English, do one thing, send me the file. Global English, here's what you can do, send me the file. This phrase confuses global listeners. Be direct, say what you want done. Example 4, revert back. Indian English, please revert back to me soon. Global English, please get back to me soon. Revert already means to respond. So don't say revert back, just say reply or get back to me. Example 5, I'm having fever. Indian English, I'm having fever. Global English, I have a fever. This one's common. Fever is a state, not an action. So we say I have a fever, not I am having. Example 6, adding only for emphasis. Indian English says, she just came only. Global English says, she just came. We often add only for stress, but it's not needed in English. She just came is enough. Example 7, do one thing. Indian English says, do one thing, call me later. Global English says, here's what you can do, call me later. We love saying do one thing, but it sounds unclear. Say, here's what you can do instead. Small changes, big difference. Comment below if you've used any of these. Like, comment and follow for more real world English.